Here, you do it.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. I'm doing this follow-up video because I got asked by a lot of you if I saw any results using a facial exercise tool. This one in particular. Now, before I get into that, I'm going to explain something about me. I am a procrastinator and I am an avoider and a not doer. It's a word. And while I do have a lot to say about this device, it's not because I continue to use it. You guys remember this thing, right? Hold on. Okay, I had to look for this box. It was under my bed. And needless to say, or maybe I already said it, yeah, I didn't use it after the video, the first video. Now, I'm pretty sure the title of this video is Review or Results, and I am going to give you that, just not from me. This thing was even endorsed, actually the name brand was endorsed by Cristiano Ronaldo. Apparently he plays soccer or something. Now, a lot of you might be mad at me for not using this and telling you how it went, but I'm going to tell you how it went for about 20 other people, which I think is way better than just this one. Okay, here's one that has 10 customer reviews, and it has 3.5, it looks like 3 3/4 stars, and the first image that I get from a customer is it's broken. I don't know how hard you have to do this in order to break it, but settle down on your tool. First one, 5 stars, satisfied. Oh my goodness. I couldn't do it for a long time because all my muscles around my jaw hurted, but after a while it was okay. Now I have a genuine smile. Okay, maybe that wasn't the best one to start with. 5 stars again, it works for me on facial lines. I use it 4 times a day. That's aggressive. 4 stars, good results, decent quality. One says bad to use, and the comment just says so bad. So bad. 5 stars, wife loves it. 5 stars, effective. Let's see if there are any in here that actually explain how well it worked. You need to be careful when you close your mouse. Careful closing that mouse. Jowls tighter, 4 stars. I use it every day. Others noticed a change in my face. Now I notice it. Okay, now here is the real name brand, which is PAO. I don't know what that stands for, but it's $119 as opposed to the $25, $30 that you can buy it elsewhere, not name brand. There are 11 customer reviews there. It has an average of 4.2 stars out of 5. My cheek is lifted up and the lines running between my nose and the side of my lips are almost all gone now. I think that's a pretty good review. My lower face has tightened and my facial muscles look fit and healthy. That's great news. Facial fitness will never be the same. 5 stars. 5 stars, excellent results in a short time. This is a 5-star rating and it says, otherwise, yeah, it's weird. Okay, I'm going to stop there because that is one of the reasons that I didn't continue to use this. Not because it looks weird. I actually have read some things. Once they got over the silliness or the silly feeling that they got using this thing, it actually worked. My complaint was that it's weird. And I know it's supposed to be uncomfortable because you are flexing your muscles, not using your teeth, and the up and down movements will tighten your muscles. But I think that any facial exercise or facial exercise tool is going to work if you do it often enough. And that's kind of the point of this video. So I'll give you some examples of other facial exercise tools that have more than 4 stars. This one has 18 reviews, 4.3 out of 5 stars. Now this is, of course, another thing that you put in your mouth. The focus here is to tighten those cheek and even chin muscles. And it's very much like the white little doohickey that you stick in your mouth and close, but this one is more external. The best face exerciser ever invented. Best out there. These are all 5 stars. It looks like a joke, but it's not at all. If they think that that thing looks like a joke, what would they think of this? Very unique. I can feel it in my cheeks. Which one? 5 stars, 5 stars. So that's that contraption. Okay, I found some that I hadn't planned on talking about. This one is Jaw Flex, jaw and facial exerciser device for jaw strengthening, facial muscles, double chin, yada yada. A lot of the same idea. There's a spring that you clamp down on, springs back up. Oh my God, here's another one. I'm finding so many. Jazzercise. That's a good name. This is a ball that you put in your mouth. It's still less intrusive than this thing. Okay, so this little white doohickey that should be around here somewhere. Very good product, 5 stars. Found it to be effective, 5 stars. Doesn't really work, don't know yet. If you don't know yet, don't post a review. Okay, even this weird mouth-shaped or lip-shaped device is getting good reviews. I'm sure you guys have seen it tried out on YouTube by many different people. The main reason is because it looks so crazy. Anyway, again, amazing device, 5 stars. I look crazy, but it works, 5 stars. I can feel it burn, so it works. I guess what I'm trying to say is any facial exercise is going to work as long as you stick to it and perhaps increase the resistance. This thing had extra eggs like this that weighed more. This little chin device has different gauges of wire springs that you can use to increase the resistance. By the way, this had good reviews as well, but I don't think we need to go over any more reviews. So those of you who were looking forward to a review from me on this, and you still aren't satisfied with the reviews and stuff I talked about, I'm very sorry. Here, you do it. All right, you guys, that's it for this video on this thing and other facial exercisers. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.